Hello, Christian women. How are you? I just wanted to come on here and encourage someone, okay, that your best days are ahead of you, okay? One of my favorite scriptures is Jeremiah 29:11, and it says that the plans that I have for you are plans to give you a hope and a future, okay? But, Christian woman, my question to you is, do you really believe that? Are you playing it safe? Are you? Okay, so let's talk about a few things, or a few people rather, who stepped out in faith, okay? Ruth, Sarah, and Esther, okay? These women were set apart, okay, for different times and different seasons. You are set apart for different times and different seasons, okay? They didn't shrink back. They were probably tempted to shrink back. As you know, some of them laughed at the things that God said, but the words that were in their mind, for Sarah especially, or for Ruth, is that where you go, I will go. Okay? That is what Ruth said. So she just echoed back what was inside of her heart, right? Esther, she said, okay, that I am set aside for such a time as this. And that's what she was doing. She was being set aside for something that God had laid on her heart because she was willing. And Sarah, she was told she couldn't have any children, right? So she had to get it in her mind what she was going to do with her life. She had to set it with God. So maybe you're here and you're like, Jess, I don't even know where to start. Okay? And some of you have been sitting on dreams for a long time now. And I just want to encourage you that it is time to move and kick fear in the face. That's what you got to do, okay? And because action takers, okay, are destiny makers and they're money makers, all right? And the only way we're going to do something is to step out in faith and do it, okay? So take action today, book a call with me, and let's get clear so that we can live the life that we were always meant to live. I would love to help you do that. Okay, I'll see you in the room. Bye.